I'll show you how to use the iPad to the maximum, and don't forget to like it, make yourself some coffee and we'll start. The main element is the dock. Its main function is fast switching between applications. You can choose from pinned apps or recently opened apps, and there is also an app library. If you don't see it, you can go to the display and multitasking settings and activate these two switches. And you can also switch to applications that are open on your Apple devices. For example, I have Safari and the Sony website open on my iPhone. The second way is to switch with 4 fingers. To enable them, you need to go to Settings, Main, and go to the Gestures tab and enable these switches. The third way is to switch using the line at the bottom of the screen and drag to the right. The fourth way is to switch using Siri. To activate, hold down the lock button or activate with your voice and say, for example, open the App Store. If you pull the home indicator and release in the middle, you can switch between open applications. If you pull the home indicator to the end, the application will simply collapse. The second way is to drag up with 4 fingers. The third way is to squeeze 5 fingers. Can play with Safari tabs and separate 2 tabs. The Apple company itself stated that it is not necessary to close open applications, since it is not necessary for Android so as not to load the system. You can replace the second tab with another application. This allows you to work in 2 applications at the same time, for example, watch videos and take notes. If you click on 3 dots, you can move, add, or close. Some applications can be opened multiple times, such as Notepad. Can be replaced with any other application by simply dragging and dropping. In the menu of Open Applications, you can also swap or open a multi-window mode. While in the application, you can call the dock panel, and by dragging the icon of another application, you can open a second window, as well as move the slider and resize. You can click on 3 dots and switch to slide over mode. Applications in slide over mode are stored on the right side. You can also drag them to another application or open many applications in slide over mode and switch between them, and you will get an iPhone at maximum speed. If you pull the lower right corner, quick notes will appear. This will come in handy if you work in an Apple Pen. You can drag a link, text, or picture directly into the notebook. The Safari app can be opened many times indefinitely. This mode is called shelf. When viewing open applications, you can see how many tabs are open, as well as by pressing the plus in the upper corner, add new tabs while holding the browser icon. You can turn on staging mode and open the entire application in windowed mode. To be honest, for me this function is not needed at all, but what do you think? Write your thoughts in the comments. I will be glad to your support in the form of a like and a subscription. Thank you all.